The crimson morning sky, the banners rise, the angels cry. Through blood and fire our faith shall lead, for crown of heaven, for holy creed.
Steel and sanctity, hearts of flame, in God's great war we bear in name. Through storm and shadow sworn to fight.
Steel and sanctity,
for truth and light.
no fear shall break the vow we keep, while sinners wait